Phew, that was the last rock left, Rhinotrux.
Finally. Now we can get some rest.
Let's go.
Huh? Oh, uh-oh.
What's the matter, buddy?
Bob, we got stuck in quicksand.
We need help! And quick!
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, we need your help. Rhinotrux and I are stuck on some quicksand in the desert.
Don't worry, guys. I got the perfect team for the job.
Hi, Johnny.
Bulldozer, Crocodile, Bob and Rhinotrux are in trouble. You have to get to the desert right now.
All right, Johnny. We're on our way. Finally, I was starting to get bored.
Look, Rhino, it's the rescue team.
We're safe.
Hey!
Hang in there, guys. All right, Draco, any plans?
Oh, yeah! I know! Me, you. I go undercover. The anima eagle is in the nest. I dive on the quicksand. I swim, I get them out. What about that? Doesn't it sound super cool, Billy boy?
Isn't it a bit dangerous?
That's what makes it cool, man!
Sure, we'll keep it as a plan B, okay? But first, I'll try to take them out on my own.
All right. You go try your super boring plan now. Happy?
Sit back and relax, friends. There's nothing that the bull can't pull. Grab the horns, Bob.
Got them!
Here we go.
Are you done, big guy?
They're too heavy. I can't pull them out.
Don't worry, pal. I know how to fix it. Guys, throw those rocks away. You have too much weight on you.
Will do. Go ahead, Rhino.
Already on it.
Well done.
That was amazing, Crocodile. Well thought.
Well, maybe I'm not so nuts after all, huh?
You're right, Draco. I'm sorry about before.
Don't sweat it, big guy. I know that sometimes the Croco is a little bit loco.
You're so crazy, man. But you have given me an idea.
I don't know if I can do this, guys.
Come on, Bob. You can do this.
But I don't want to leave you here, Rhino.
I'll be fine. I'm sure they'll get me out in a jiffy.
Ah!
Gotcha!
I'm all right. I don't even have a single scratch.
Well done, Billy boy. That was really cool.
Now let's get Rhino.
Oh no, Rhino!
Bulldozer won't be able to get him out in time. He needs my help.
Hey, Crocodile, how's the mission going?
Not great, Johnny. We got Bob out, but Rhinotrux is sinking. I need a boost.
Say no more, my friend. It's power up time.
Ooh, I like this. Let's do it, fellas. Okay, where can I hold on to him? Huh. Oh, jackpot!
What?
Let's go!
working, guys! It's working! You did it, guys! You saved us!
Thank you, Anima Team. You're amazing.
And all thanks to my super sick turbines. Well, I guess Bulldozer helped too. As my incredible assistant. Haha, very funny, man. Now help me get out of here. Come on, Bulldozer! I'm sinking, man!
Why don't you get out with your super sick turbines? In the end, I'm just an assistant, remember?
All right, you win. Can you please help me get out of here?
This is really bad, Lance. We have an emergency to attend.
There's nothing we can do, Joe. The road is completely blocked.
Katie was really worried when she called and must be really sick. We need help, Lance. This is Johnny. How can I help you? Johnny, it's Joe. Lance and I were on an emergency call, but the road is blocked. We need your help. Copy that. The rescue team is on the way.
Hello, Chief. What's the situation?
Tigers, Bulldozer, you have to clear the city road so Lance and Joe can attend an emergency call.
All right, Johnny. We'll be there in a jiff. Let's go.
Look, Joe! The rescue team is here!
Yay! We're saved!
This is not going to be a walk in the park. Bulldozer, do you think you can lift all these pipes on your own?
Of course. There's nothing that the bull can't pull.
Great. Here's the plan. You lift the tree and get it out of the way, and then I'll clear the traffic so Joe and Boolance can get to Katie's restaurant. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Okay, let's get to it, big guy.
Come on!
Yay! Well done, Bulldozer. That was very impressive.
Those little pipes, it was nothing, Boolance.
Okay, my turn. Come on, guys. I'll clear the traffic for you. Let's go!
Wait, I'm coming too.
Make way! Emergency coming through!
This is great, Lance. We'll be at Katie's restaurant in no time.
Rhinotrux, move away! We have to get through!
All right, Tight Gears.
Wait! Just move aside! The traffic light turned red!
Huh? What? Let's go! Uh-oh! Oh no, this looks bad.
I'm going to check on them. Huh? They'll both be all right, but we need to bring them to the hospital. Lance, you have to go to Katie's restaurant right now and check on Ed. I will look after these two.
Okay, Joe, I'll be on my way.
Huh? A call from Katie. What's up, Katie? Joe, where are you? Ed is getting worse. We need you here right now. Oh, no! Ed, stop! I have to go, Joe. Ed is trying to bathe in ice cream again. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, Joe. I have a plan. Bulldozer, you have to help Joe get Rhinotrux and Demo Lizard to the hospital.
All right, Tigers.
But what about Ed? Boolance needs to get to the restaurant quickly.
Leave it to me, Joe. I just have to make a call.
Hi, Tigers. How's the mission going?
Johnny, I need your help. Ed is feeling worse, and Boolance needs to get to the restaurant fast.
Okay, pal, I'll give you a little boost.
Turbos and monster wheels? That's much better. Hold tight, Boolance, and try not to throw up.
What?
Let's go!
Wow, that looks like fun.
What a show-off.
How are you doing back there, Boolance?
Fine. No.
Don't worry, Boolance, we're almost there.
I still can't believe he ate 20 ice creams in a row.
Don't worry, Katie. Ed will be fine.
What a relief. Thank you so much, guys.
Good news, guys. I just talked to Bulldozer, and Demolizard and Rhinotrux are both fine.
That's great, Tigers. Now, let's bring Ed to the hospital so Joe can take care of him too.
Get some rest, Ed. A delicious ice cream will be waiting for you when you come back.
I think he won't eat ice cream for a good while, Katie.
Welcome, runners! Katie's Restaurant Super Special Race is about to begin! Yay! Remember, all participants have to go to the desert and come back. The winner will get this wonderful voucher for a whole year of free ice cream at my restaurant. Free ice cream? I will win this race no matter what! Okay, guys, on your marks. Ready, steady, Go! Get out of my way, anima snails! Hey, that's cheating, Vicky! This is a disaster! I need to call for help!
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Katie! Vicky is cheating at the race and she's putting everyone in danger! We need your help!
Say no more. Katie, my team is on it. Tigers, Bulldozer, we got a mission. We have to get to Katie's restaurant and help her stop Vicky.
Roger that, boss. Don't worry, Johnny. We're on it.
Team, I'm so glad you're here.
Is Demolizard all right?
He's just a little dizzy. Nothing that a good ice cream can't cure. But the road is blocked, and Delibug is all alone against that loony.
Do you think you can lift this, Bulldozer?
Of course. There's nothing that the bull can't pull. Let's do this. Can you look the other way? I can't do it if you're watching.
Oh, okay.
Whatever you need, big guy.
Here we go.
Now let's catch Vicky.
Come on, Vicky, you have to stop. No one will stand between me and my ice creams. No one! Wait, is that a flying anima pig? What? Ah! Gotcha! you. Victory is mine. Great, now I have to deal with you two. You wanna play? Let's play.
Bulldozer, be careful back there. Is that the best you can do, Vicky?
Do you want more? Take this!
Ouch! Get back to the others, Bulldozer. I'll finish the job.
Oh, you never get tired, do you?
I could say the same about you. Come on, Vicky. You have to put a stop to this.
Never.
Come on. Come on.
Bye-bye, animal loser.
Whiskers, I need more power to get out of this dune. Johnny, are you there? I need some help.
Don't worry, Tigers. I got you covered.
Turbos and monster wheels. Good thinking, Johnny. Here I come, Vicky.
Are you feeling better, Dellybug? You bet, Katie. There's nothing that your ice cream can't cure.
Guys, they're coming.
My ice cream! I can smell them.
Hello there.
Huh? You again? Leave me alone.
This ends here, Vicky. No!
Yes.
No, no, no!
Tigers, are you all right?
Oh, Mummy? Is that you?
I won! Ice creams are all mine. The voucher. Give it to me. I'm the winner. Are you sure? What? That's right, Vicky. Tigers crossed the finish line before you. He's the winner. You're saying that this animal loser defeated me? I'd say that you are the animal loser, Vicky. Right, Johnny? There's no doubt about that, Katie. Tiger's Cable crossed the line right before her. You're gonna pay for this, rescue team.
Bye-bye, Vicky. Better luck next time.
This is yours, my friend.
Oh, did we win, Mummy?
What's going on? Oh no! He's covering everything in slime!
This is really bad.
Hi, Nora. How can I help you?
Johnny, Tigers is shooting some awful rainbow slime everywhere.
Tigers? How weird.
Huh? No!
Hi, Johnny.
Tigers! Why are you attacking the city?
What? I haven't moved from here. I promise. Hey!
Wheelefant, can you go with Tigers and check what's going on downtown?
All right.
What a mess!
Where did it come from?
We have to find what's going on as soon as possible.
No, Tag Ears, don't attack me, please!
Tigers! That AnimaCar looks just like you!
We have to stop that evil imposter! Oh?
Careful with the rainbow slime!
Oh no! Are you okay, Wheelephant? Ouch! Huh? Stop! Please stop!
What happened?
You went crazy, pal!
It must have been the slime.
But the water got you back to normal!
Huh? Looks like we found a way to stop this mess! What?
Everyone is okay again!
Yeah, but we still have to get your evil twin.
You're right! Let's do it! Stop right now! Come on, Wheelephant! You can do it! Oh! Oh no! This is bad!
Everything all right, Tag Ears?
Jonny, it was my evil twin! Quick! I need your help to stop him!
Don't worry. Activating power up.
Now we're talking! Let's go for that evil twin! Huh? Phew! That almost hit me! Huh? This is bad!
Oh! What? That felt weird. It's good to be back.
Now let's get that imposter!
Come on, Tigers! You almost got him!
Yes! Mission accomplished!
That's what you get for messing with the slime.
We don't like evil imposters around here.
And I don't like animal fools that capture my pets. Yes, slime everywhere. Oh no, we have to run.
This is Jonny. How can I help you?
Vicky and Evil Wheelephant are smearing the city with slime.
This is bad. I'll take care of the problem.
Hello!
Hi, Jonny.
Listen up. Today, Evil Vicky and Evil Wheelephant are wreaking havoc in the city.
We will take care of it.
Don't worry, Jonny. look at that!
Yes! This has Vicky's signature all over it! Are you all right?
Well, more or less.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Screws and bolts! It's useless!
Tigers, I'll take care of it. Oh no, this is bad.
Why can't you dissolve it?
I think it's a different slime. It can only be dissolved with rainbow water.
And how do we get it?
I have an idea. If Wheelifant eats some of my rainbow ice cream, he'll be able to spray rainbow water.
Good idea!
But the ice cream is at my restaurant.
I'll go. You should try to get Katie out of the slime.
All right.
Oh no. Everything is covered in slime here, too. There's the ice cream. Oh, I wonder if this is enough. Yes! It works! And now to save the rest of my friends!
Please, come on!
Hello there.
That's enough, Vicky!
Evil Wheelifant. Let's cover this little kitty with slime.
What? Oh.
Hi, Wheelifant.
Hi, Johnny. I need the power-up. Can you help me?
Of course, my friend.
Now it's my turn, Vicky.
What's going on? Stop it right now!
Thanks, pal.
That's it. Now it's our turn to attack.
Hang in there, buddy. I'll help you.
Ow!
Bullseye!
Look! Vicky's trying to escape!
I'll take care of her.
Thanks, Wheelifant.
You are welcome. And now I have to go help Tigers. Come on, buddy. Let's stop Vicky.
What was that? Oh no, please no.
You are under arrest.
Well then, I guess I'll have to use that rainbow water of yours.